Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get started in QuickBooks. First, select the QuickBooks version that best suits your business, whether it's online or desktop. Next, create your company file, inputting crucial details like your business name and tax ID. Then, link your bank and credit card accounts. This step is vital for automatically importing transactions, saving you significant time and ensuring accuracy from day one. Now, let's organize your finances. Customize your chart of accounts to categorize all your income and expenses effectively. This helps you understand where your money comes from and goes. After that, add all the products and services your business offers. This makes creating invoices much faster and more consistent. Finally, if applicable, configure your sales tax rates to ensure accurate collection and reporting. With your setup complete, it's time to manage daily transactions. Start by creating and sending professional invoices to your customers promptly. This ensures you get paid on time. Simultaneously, diligently record all your business expenses. Accurate expense tracking is crucial for tax deductions. Remember to reconcile your bank and credit card accounts monthly. This step verifies that your QuickBooks data matches your bank statements, catching any discrepancies. To truly understand your business, utilize QuickBooks reporting features. Generate financial reports like the profit and loss statement and balance sheet regularly. These reports offer valuable insights into your company's health and performance. As a best practice, always back up your QuickBooks data frequently. This simple step protects your financial records from potential loss, ensuring your hard work is always secure and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.